Hey folks, Ben here, and today I am checking out the Donner Morpher. Ooh, look at that. Look at it even more when it comes in focus. Ooh, yeah. Affordable pedal found on that Jungle website. Oh, I should say, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Overdrive, distortion, gain, call it what you will. It's used to just slam the front end of a preamp circuit. That's it. You know, make it overdrive, distort if you will. What do we got here? We got 3 knobs and a switch. Okay. We've got a level. We got a tone. We got a gain. I was like, what's it? It's fish bones. No. The label's on the top of this knob. We also have a 3-way switch. Up is natural. Middle is tight. Low is classic. So we'll get into a bit of that. What you heard at the beginning, it's in the tight form. I like it tight, apparently. I don't know. Let's get this on the tone stand, and we'll go from there. Hey, look at that. We're back. We got it on the stand. We've got a guitar. We're using the Fender Blues Deluxe amp. That was that tweed-looking thing that you saw before this. Blocked it out of the shot, I guess. Got the guitar. We mentioned all that, Ben. Onto the pedal. Clean tone. Alright, let's put the switch up into natural. Put the tone at noon, gain at noon. I'll adjust the level for unity. Alright, going from natural to tight. I figure we'll hit the switch first and hear the tonal combinations, right? Yeah, from natural to tight, I'm hearing a slight volume increase and more focus on the mids. So you get rid of it. Then down into the classic. Little brighter on the classic, I think. Just a touch. Very subtle differences though. I like it in the tight the best. So we're just going to leave it in the tight position because, hey, I think it sounds best. Opinions are like a-holes. Everyone has one. But hey, I'm shooting the demo. You're not shooting. Feel free to get one of these and make your own demo and use it on another setting. Alright. Gain all the way down. Do we still have a signal? Very subtle, but it is there. You just turn up the level. Sure. Turn down the level a bit. Are we just doing... 9 o'clock? Why do we do simple chords in these videos? Because you're listening for the pedal. That's about 10:30. Back to noon. About 2 o'clock. I like that. That's sustain. 3 o'clock. Maxed out. Okay, I'm gonna just remember that. It's just a little before the 3 o'clock. Lots of gain in the tight. Oh wait. Yeah, I just don't like it as much in the natural. Yeah, it's got to be there. All right, so let's put the gain back at noon. Let's roll the tone back all the way here. I really wish they would, use just a little bit of white ink on these little knobs and, color in the indicator, because, it's like you got to get it just right in the light to see where the deuce you are. So that's all the way down. We're going to go to about 9 o'clock position. Get the pick in hand. Okay. About 10:30, 11. Nice. We heard noon, so we're going to goose it till about 1:30. 3 o'clock. Maxed out. Not too bright. Maxed out. I'm impressed. Let's try the other, the toggle switch. Alright, in the vintage or natural? Okay. I still like it in the middle there. Sorry if I keep moving my head around at odd angles, but I can't see the bloody indicator. Great pedal at noon settings. Nice harmonic overtones. That's nice. So I'm just gonna noodle here at this point. So the Donner, what's it called? Morpher. True bypass, input output, won't use a battery, too small to use a battery. Final thoughts. She'd go in the keeper pile. I like that one. Available wherever Donner is sold, which I believe is that Jungle website. You might be able to find them used on the eBays or the Kijijis or the Craigslist or the Reverbs or the Facebook Marketplace. Or really old school guy has an ad on the bulletin board down at the Gary's Guitars and Gadgets. Who knew? There we are. Again, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what your favorite Donner pedal is. Maybe it's this one. Who knows? I'm not a mind reader. I don't know what you're thinking. Well, I do. You're like, wrap it up, Ben. Just wrap it up. All right. Cheers. Rock on. Have a great day, folks.